Hello YouTube, film is not dead. Here's another upgrade video of what I have been up to. We now have a new Lamphouse. This is the third one now, which is now a xenon arc lamp house, which arrived here about a couple of months ago, I guess now, and it took quite a bit to install something like this because of just the amount of heat that this sucker throws off. So in order to install the Lamphouse, I also had to install power supply, which draws like 30 amps or something, which I had to hardwire back to the panel, which I put on a separate breaker, which is here. I can turn it on and off here. So, but yeah, that took quite a bit to power draw to power the bulb that's in this thing. And on top of that, you had to install new ventilation. So I had to install a fan up in my ceiling to draw tons of air to to cool this thing. So here's the thing. This lamp is, it's a great lamp. I'm loving it. I love the picture it gives me. It's also a good bit larger than all the other lamps I had on here. The other ones were Orcon halogen conversions, and they were all much smaller. This thing was much larger. So what I had to do was I had to move the projector over a couple of inches to keep the clearance between the projector and the platter so I could still walk behind there, which means I had to move my screen out there over 5 inches so I could move the projector. And now I have to do something with my take-up stand. I have to run it at a 90-degree angle. It's sort of strange. But yeah, I have to do something weird like this in order to be able to walk behind here to get in and out and still have everything work and fit. This is strange, I must admit, because I mean, this stand in the first place is a strange looking thing as it is. I mean, I've never been able to find a take-up tower that is either local or close by. I mean, you know, something that can easily run small single reel stuff. So I had to build this thing. So I do what I have to do. But yeah, now it's running on it. This is a weird level. Anyway, I'm going to run this here for you to show you just like how strange this is. Anyway, take up on and off first. Then turn this on here. Hopefully the film doesn't break. Okay. So, yeah, there you go. Strange. No space. Yep, there's a little bit of weirdness for your day. Anyway, thanks for watching.